unbelievable footage. Come. Look, a fallen palm tree from that tree right there. Isn't that crazy? This hurricane is going crazy, is insanely strong. But wait, I'm not done. Come along. We also found sandbags in front of the Lamborghini store. Oh no! Let's just hope those nice Lambos don't get destroyed. We're back, and it's currently raining extremely strong. And there are people taking cover underneath the school of I don't know what. As you can see, everything is boarded up. Why? So the glass doesn't shatter. Most buildings here in Miami have glass, hurricane-proof glass. But we're assuming that this glass doesn't. Somehow, these people with boarded up windows are still open. As you can see, the cranes have been laid down in anticipation of Hurricane Dorian. All around Miami, cranes have been put down and construction has been stopped. When will Hurricane Dorian finish? As you can see, there are no fish in the bay. Are the fish also getting ready for Hurricane Dorian? When will it finally hit? The winds are becoming insanely strong. I don't know if people have to take coverage. Hurricane Dorian is coming in. Let's go back inside. Are preparing by closing down the bridge to prevent any waves hitting the bridge that across the Miami Bay to Miami Beach. Let's keep you updated, and the wind is insane, okay? Stay inside. Preparing for the expected hurricane by putting up boards on the windows.